Français FC présente French grammar made easy in a few minutes. We are going to speak about en et y. En et y are both complément pronom, pronom complément. They are like le, la, les, which is a COD, lui et leur, which is a COI. If you want to know further about these two, please go to capsule 30. En et y ne relient pas deux phrases. They don't link two sentences together. Let's see an example. J'ai vu beaucoup de chats en Grèce. I want to replace de chat. I'm going to use en. J'en ai vu beaucoup. Be careful. En is invariable. It means that it doesn't agree with féminin and plural. This explains why I'm not putting an S at the end of vu. Y, je m'intéresse à la géographie. I'm going to replace à la géographie. And it becomes je m'y intéresse. But why? When do I use en and when do I use Y? En is related to a thing or an idea, but there is the article indéfini un, une, un, des. So, for instance, j'ai une voiture rouge. I'm going to replace une voiture rouge by en, and it's going to be j'en ai une. Nous avons un garage. We have a garage. We have one. Nous en avons un. Ils ont des enfants. Ils en ont. So we are using en because it's expressing a chose or an idea, but we are using an article indéfini. Un, une, des. We're going to replace by en when we're expressing a quantity. Beaucoup de, peu de, trop de, pas assez de. J'ai beaucoup de chance. I have a lot of chance. I'm going to say j'en ai beaucoup. Nous avons trop de travail. We have too much work. I'm going to replace de travail by en. Nous en avons trop. Ils n'ont pas de chance. They don't have chance. Ils n'en ont pas eu. Ils n'ont pas eu de chance. Ils n'en ont pas eu. I'm replacing en by de. Why again? Because it's an expression of quantity. We are going to use en when you're expressing an origin, where something is coming from. For instance, je viens de France. Ce vin vient de France. Il en vient. So here we are going to replace de France, which is the destination, the origin, by en. Same with Germany. Nous venons d'Allemagne. We come from Germany. We are going to replace Germany by en. So you understand also that when a verb has the preposition de, but it's connected to a thing, be careful, to a thing, not to a person, we are going also to use en. Example, je parle du projet, j'en parle. Du being de le. And projet is a thing, it's not a person. If it was a person, it will be different. Y. Y is replacing a place. J'ai habité en Italie, j'y ai habité. Nous allons en réunion à 9 heures. I'm going to replace réunion. Nous y allons à 9 heures. Here I'm replacing Italy, of course. If you are expressing une chose plus un verbe avec la préposition a, you are going to use y. Be careful, it has to be a person, it has to be a thing, not a person. and you need the preposition à. So when you say nous nous intéressons à la géographie, we are interested in geography, you are going to replace à la géographie by y, and it's becoming nous nous y intéressons. Again, if it was a person, we will not use y, we will use lui ou leur. But you still need the preposition à for the verb. So, nous téléphonons à Lucie, you will say nous lui téléphonons. You won't say nous y téléphonons, but nous lui téléphonons. Lui works for a feminine person or a female or a male. We're also going to use y if we have a verb with the preposition à in the sentence directly. So, nous pensons partir en vacances. Penser à is the verb. The verb altogether is penser à. Donc, nous pensons partir en vacances. Nous y pensons. Nous y pensons, c'est-à-dire partir en vacances is here replacing by y. Last thing now, ordre des pronoms. We have to follow an order in French. So the first here will be in the sentence, then we have this, 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 and this. So I'm going to give you an example where we will have y et en, since we are only interested in y et en. Nous avons mangé des frites. I forgot to see where. En Belgique. Hey, yes, we need the place. Where do we need the place? We need the place because we need to replace it by Y, of course. So we had fries in Belgium is going to become nous y en avons mangé. Y being Belgium, et en being what did you eat, which was fries. I hope all is clear. Enjoy and thank you for the likes.